Hello friends, now we will learn about CPOC. You want to improve your manufacturing process. How will you able to do it? You will able to do it only when you know each and every detail of your system. So CPOC come into existence. It is a high level process map which help you to understand customer, supplier and process. It leads to thinking what needs to be measured in process to improve your performance and opportunity for improvement. CPOC is supplier, input, process, output and customer. Now we will take the basic example of CPOC, that is analysis of a screw fastening process. So what will be the process? Attaching component by fastening the screw. What will be the input? It will be screw. Who will be the supplier? It may be a warehouse or maybe a different company. What will be the output? Attached component. Who will be the customer? Maybe it will be a direct customer or maybe your internal quality testing department. So this is the basic example of CPOC. Now we will see second example of CPOC, that is manufacturing of single ball bearing. Suppose the process is grinding, assembly, quality testing and packing. So in grinding process, what will be the input? Heat treated ring. Who is the supplier? That is Osaka, Japan. What will be the output? Grinded part with dimensional accuracy. Who will be the customer? That is assembly section. Now in assembly section, there is the assembly of grinded rings and balls. So it will be input. So who will provide the input? That is from assembly section will provide the grinded rings, while the balls will come from Giana, Singapore. So output will be the bearing. So bearing will be go to direct customer, or first it will go to quality department for inspection. So customer is quality department. So the process is quality testing. Who will be supply the bearing? That is quality department. Input will be bearing. Output will be okay good parts. Customer will be packing section. So from packing section, the material will go to customer. What will be the input? That is packing material and bearing. Who will be the supplier? Packing section and packing suppliers. Output will be packed bearing and customer will be our final customer. So there will be a question in your mind, why are we doing this? Voice of customer, CTQ and CPOC. So the main aim of the company is to make money. Who pays you money? Obviously customer. Why customer pays you money? Customer pays you money for the value the company has given. So company create value for the customer to generate revenue. So it is necessary to understand the customer requirement to create best value.